Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Nasrin Padasale. So in this video I am going to share about what is the minimum mark to qualify this joint CSER UGC NET examination under chemical sciences. So in this video I will be sharing only for this assistant professorship. So before entering into the video, let me clarify with you who decides this minimum mark, which is otherwise called as cutoff. Means this National Testing Agency is a sole responsibility of deciding all the minimum mark. So previously the CSER HRDG group conducted the CSER examination, but from 2019 onwards this NTA is involved in conducting examination. Okay, so before entering into it, let me clarify with you how many students apply for this lecturership under chemical sciences. So this is a chemical sciences. You can able to see category wise students applied. So with respect to this lecturership position, which I'm going to currently discuss you about. So in later on upcoming videos, I'll definitely share about this minimum mark to qualify chemical sciences under JRF category. So this lecturership, nearly 10,000 candidate will apply for this chemistry lecturership examination, and with respect to JRF portion, nearly 30,000 students will apply every year. Okay, so this is the statistics, and now let's get into the video. So you should know the minimum mark to clear any examination, friends. So there are many advantages of knowing this minimum mark to qualify the chemical sciences. Okay, so when this will help you to prevent attempting for negative marking. So in the last part of the video I'll discuss the advantages of knowing this minimum mark. So before entering into it, let me clarify you how this minimum mark to qualify the joint CSER UGC NET examination will be decided by this NTA. So again there are four factors being involved. First factor is the total number of students applied for the examination. As I had already mentioned for you with respect to chemical sciences, and currently we are discussing this assistant professorship, only 10,000 students will apply for this particular lecturership portion under chemical sciences. So if 10,000 students has written the examination, means the cutoff will be 35 marks. Whereas instead of 10,000, if the greater number of students, say 50,000 students has written the examination, means the cutoff will be around 50 marks. This signifies lesser the number of students, lesser the cutoff will be. Greater the number of students and greater the cutoff will be. So thank for chemical sciences students, because if you take life sciences, nearly 60 to 1 lakh students will be applied. So in that particular concept, clearing life sciences is very much tough. Whereas chemical sciences, only 30,000 students has applied. So it is for you students easy to clear this chemical sciences examination. And also difficulty level of examination. The question paper is easy, then definitely cutoff will be very much high. Whereas the question paper is very tough, then the cutoff will be very much low. And next is also a mark scored by the topper. So yes, more the topper mark, then the cutoff will also go highest, and it is really hectic for an average studying student to clear under that particular cutoff. The last factor is analyzing the past year cutoff. So that's what I had made you. So in this particular presentation, I had provided you past 11 years of this cutoff under this chemical sciences. This is only for this lecturership portion. So general category, EWS category, OBC category, SC, ST and person with disability. Why I didn't put marks means this EW category has been first given by this NDA on June 2019 exam only. Previously we don't have EWS category. So that's the reason why I didn't put marks. So this is with respect to percentage, but you all know you will be writing your exam for 200 marks. So like it will be easy if I showed you this particular thing. It is nothing but this is a percentage wise analysis. Here I had converted them into raw marks. So for say for 100 you need to get 25 marks out of 100, means then for 200 marks you need to get 50 marks. Okay, that's a minimum mark. So this is what the thing is, friends. For chemical sciences and lecturership position, you should get between, so that's what I had made over here. You can pause this video to analyze the past year cutoff trends with respect to this chemical sciences lecturership position. So this is really an important key. So this is what minimum mark to qualify joint CSER UGC NET, chemical sciences under this lecturership category I'm showing you. So if you are belong to general category, then you should get 90 to 100 marks, and if you belong to EWS category, then you should get 80 to 100 marks, and if you are OBC, then definitely OBC will have 10 marks lesser than compared to this general category. Okay, so if you are applied your chemical sciences under OBC category, then you should get 80 to 90 marks. It's the safest marks. And for SC candidate, based on the previous year statistics only I had extracted them. and based on minimal amount I am showing you. Okay, so if you belong to SC means then you need to get 65 to 75 marks, and if you are a ST and persons with disability means then you should get 25 percentage of marks, that out of 200 you need to get 50 marks. Okay, so what is the purpose of putting these marks means these marks are safest marks. So in the examination hall, the exam is for 3 hours. You everyone will complete the examination with this 2 hour itself. So once you had completed the examination, you need to take a scribbling pad and you need to put the question number, and near to the question number you also need to write correct answer. So if you had put one question number 1 is correct means you need to put what is the mark. 4 marks means 4 marks. Since part C under 4 marks. Like this you need to put 4 like that. You need to calculate the marks, and once you get the safest mark, say for 200 if you are getting 100 marks, 50 percentage correct, then you should stop writing the examination, friends. Because why I'm saying this, many people will complete the examination and again they will revisit the question paper, and this makes them to change their answers, and this provides a negative mark. Since first time itself you will be giving a right answer, but once you again revisit your question paper in the examination hall, due to this enough amount of time, this makes your mind to think unnecessarily thoughts, and it will relate to unuseful concepts and nonsense concepts, and this makes to change your answers which you mark them as a correct and change them into wrong answer. So that's the reason why I'm putting the safest mark. So please do share with your friends so that your friends will also get benefited. The next video I'll share with you JRF cutoff for this chemical sciences. Thank you.